we are in a university, we are expected to do research, and since we are in college, we will be using most of the time our library so that we will be learning more about the course that we are enrolled in. So, magkaibigan kita sa library para makabasa kita ng mga online books, online journals, nasa ipunan indo sa inyong pagklase so that your classroom performance will be enhanced and so that when you graduate in the university, you are well equipped with all the knowledge that is required for your job. See you in the library!
To the old students of this prestigious university, welcome to your second home. To the freshmen, transferees, enjoy your stay in UNC.
We were the regional nodal center appointed by the Commission on Higher Education. Our main objective is to provide the following services. First, internet research and training seminars. Second, free access to our My Portal for your class schedule preparation, viewing your statement of accounts, record of grades, attendance, and even evaluation of your teacher. Now, if you need to know how to access your account through my UNC portal, you can even invite your parents and join you, and we will provide you a training program for the said activity. So if you need a training venue for seminars or any class activities, you guys are always welcome to use our facilities. All you have to do is to visit us or call us at 472-6100 local 141. Now, if you need to evaluate your teacher and access to our e-library system, we are always available. To guarantee the good service, we have 9 computer laboratories with 40 to 50 computers each, just to make sure a 1-to-1 ratio for computer use. And with sufficient forbearing student assistant to assess you for any technical help. So if you need internet access, a research or a venue for a seminar, group seminar, just visit.
Yeah, new day, same way, everything is what it seems. Everybody's innocent and everybody dreams. When I closed my eyes, it was all the same, but I woke up fast and the world had changed. There was no more pain, no ground to gain, just all my friends in the
I welcome everyone as you choose this institution to fulfill your dreams as well as your haven of knowledge. Rest assured that your stay in this school will be in good hands. We have a capable, responsible, and a strong lady guard and security guard to safeguard your lives as well as your properties while within the school premises. Again, a warm welcome to everyone.
I am happy to welcome you all to the University of Nueva Caceres. I wish you a fruitful and meaningful stay in the university as your second home. May you have a fruitful and meaningful school year. Good luck and God bless everyone.
It's a great honor and privilege for me, on behalf of the UNC administration, to welcome you to the first and the biggest university in Southern Luzon, the University of Nueva Caceres. I congratulate each one of you, my dear students, especially to all the freshmen and transferees, for making the right choice of choosing UNC to be your school, your second home. On behalf of my staff and personnel at the University Registrar's Office, we would like to assure you that your records and documents will be kept with utmost care and confidentiality, and an assurance of promptness of delivery of services, and your requested documents in particular will always be realized. So once again, welcome and enjoy the school spirit of being a proud UNCian.
Welcome to the University of Nueva Caceres and to the College Guidance Center. For your concerns, you can meet your guidance counselors from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. and our university psychometrician for your testing services. Remember that our office is not just a place for problems, but for happy memories as well. So see you at the College Guidance Center.